Hello all. Welcome to Math for Juniors with me, Miss Marks, and my assistant Snail.
This floor is so uneven, Miss Marks.
This floor is not uneven, but if you tie your shoelaces, it will help.
Oh,
I wonder when will he stop acting like a robot with programming code full of errors.
Look at what I found. It's beautiful. Can I keep it since I have found it?
Oh, a pyramid. You know, all its faces are triangles, and each of these triangles are congruent to each other.
Congruent? What does that mean? How do you know they are congruent?
Snail, you don't know about congruence of triangles?
No.
Okay, don't be sad. Let's learn about the congruence of triangles in the virtual world. Before talking about congruency of triangles, it's important to understand what congruency is. Two figures are congruent if they are of same shape and size. Such figures exactly cover each other when superimposed. Triangles ABC and PQR, when superimposed, cover their corresponding parts exactly. Hence, they are congruent to each other. There are various criteria to verify the congruency of triangles. Let's first learn about the side angle, side or SAS congruency criteria. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle is equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. In triangles ABC and PQR, side AB is equal to side PQ. Side AC is equal to side PR and the angle A is equal to angle P. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to PQR by SAS congruency condition. By ASA congruency condition, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. In triangles ABC and PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q. Side BC is equal to side QR and the angle C is equal to angle R. Therefore, by angle side angle or ASA congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Back to the real world. So, Snail understood what congruent triangles are?
Yeah. All these triangles in this pyramid are of same size and shape. See, when superimposed on each other, they cover each other completely.
I'm impressed. If you keep learning at that pace, I will let you keep that pyramid.
Really? Wow! Then I can play with it.
Yes, of course, but not now. We have more congruency criteria to learn. So time to enter the virtual world again. Two triangles are congruent by SSS or side-side-side condition if three sides of a triangle are equal to the three sides of the other triangle. In triangles ABC and PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. Therefore, by SSS congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Two right triangles are congruent by right angle hypotenuse side or RHS congruency condition. If the hypotenuse and a side of one triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other triangle. In triangles ABC and PQR, AB is equal to PQ, angle B is equal to angle Q and AC is equal to PR. Therefore, by RHS congruency condition, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR.
These congruence criteria are interesting and easy.
Really?
Oh yes, in fact, I have got another congruence criteria which you forgot to tell.
Really?
Yes, the condition angle, angle, angle or A. When all corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the triangles will be congruent, right?
Oh, no. There's no such criteria.
But why? This is cheating. If three equal corresponding sides can make two triangles congruent, then why not three corresponding angles?
Because equiangular triangles will have just same shape but not the same size. One of them can be an enlarged copy of the other. Take these two equilateral triangles. Both of them has all the angles equal to 60 degrees. Only the shape is same, not the size.
Oh, I see. Oh, I couldn't get a single thing right.
Oh, don't be sad, Snail. You're doing well. You tried.
That means I still get the pyramid.
Only if you solve some questions on congruency. Let's see. Given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, angle A is equal to 70 degrees. Angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Side AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Find angles PQR and the side PQ. Since we are given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, hence their corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are equal. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Also, we know the measures of angles A is equal to 70 degrees and measure of B as 60 degrees respectively. So, angle C can be found easily. Substituting the values of angle A and B in the above equation, we get the value of angle C as 50 degrees. Moving on, we can see that the corresponding vertices of the given triangles are A and P, B and Q, and C and R. Let's now find out the measures of angles P, Q, and R. Since the corresponding angles are equal, angle A is equal to angle P, which is equal to 70 degrees. Angle B is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to angle R, which is equal to 50 degrees. Now we know that the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, side AB is equal to side PQ, which is equal to 8 centimeters. Back from the virtual world. So, Snail, tell me. Snail!
Yes?
You slept again?
What are you saying? I was not sleeping. I was just looking at my hand. See how many triangles are there in my hand?
You know, Snail, these triangles hold a very important place in palmistry.
What?
Yes? Are you interested in knowing more about this?
Yes.
Then let's go. Do you know that palmists make a careful study of triangles in our hand? If three lines coming from three different directions in the palm meet, a triangle is formed. The triangles can be found in different places of the palm and they signify different traits of individuals.
You mean these different triangles signifies different traits?
Yes. For instance, the triangles formed by clear, flawless and deep lines are considered compassionate.
Does the size of the triangle also matter?
Yes, it's directly associated with good results and good fortune. If the triangle is big, its benefits and good luck are also enormous. Triangle sometimes found in the mid-palm indicates that the person is very lucky, theist, progressive, calm, amiable and honored in the society. His physical and mental activities are pious.
So, these triangles on palm actually reflect the nature of the individual and depict their future.
Yes, that's why palmists make a careful study of these triangles.
Oh, interesting.
Alright friends, it's now time for us to watch a quick recap of today's session. So, let's hit the replay button and revise our concepts about congruence criteria of triangles. In this module, we have learnt that two triangles are congruent to each other if they are of same shape and size. Congruence of triangles can be established if some special three pairs of corresponding parts are equal. If the pair of corresponding sides and the included angle of two triangles are equal, then triangles are congruent using SAS criterion. If two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent by the ASA criteria. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, then the triangles are congruent to each other using SSS rule. Two right triangles are congruent if their one side and hypotenuse are equal to each other. This is RHS criteria. Are you trying to predict your future?
Yes, was wondering, can these triangles depict if I will get a yummy dinner tonight or not?
Well, that I don't know. Some things could never change. Well, now I have to go, but you all keep having fun with the numbers. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.